friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing and I didn't put any special requests, so I don't know what's in here. So yes, I have Stitch Fix. I checked out so late on my last one that I just didn't get a chance to put in a note this one, so it's just a fun little surprise of hopefully summery goodness. It's crazy. It is, I'm filming this end of July, who knows when it'll get posted, and it's just crazy to me to think that I'm going to be thinking fall transition pieces here soon, and maybe I'm even behind and should be thinking about it now, but I don't know, my brain is still in summer mode. I'm not ready to think fall. I like a late summer. I like the fact that it gets darker earlier because I like campfires and stuff like that, and my husband and I have just great plans to enjoy our upcoming fall. Please don't murder me for talking about fall. This is a small little bundle. Here we go. Small little bundle. I see some navy, some yellow, some black. Let's get into it. Starting at the top, we have Daniel Rain. This is a petite extra small. It's kind of a cap sleeve shirt here with the kind of, I keep calling it doily material and people correct me, but then I start filming and I still don't remember what it's called. So you guys know what I'm talking about. So there's that on top. So I like it. It's Daniel Rain, which probably means it's gonna cost more than I usually would want to pay for something like this. But I like it, and I'm always happy to have neutral tops so I can do more colorful bottoms. Case in point. Yep. So I did notice it's a little wrinkly, so it is rayon in the bottom half and then cotton here at the top, just FYI. So not a huge rayon fan because of wrinkliness. I don't know why people keep using rayon in their clothes. It's like, does anybody like a rayon? There's a lot of other better fabrics out there. Okay, this is by Just USA, and they actually sized up on this, so it's one size bigger than I usually wear, but it's got, you know, nice raw hem, distressing throughout, button fly. I wonder what the rise on this is. This is just called the Gracelyn Distressed Denim Short. I don't really see anything as far as what the rise is, so we will see when we get it on. Doesn't look too short, it doesn't look too bad, and I do like a bigger slouchy short, so I'm actually kind of happy that they sized up on that. Next up, I'm guessing this is a dress? Maybe? Just got dress vibes from it. Why yes, Jen, it is a dress. This is by KALEIGH, and this is the Azaria knit dress. And it looks like it's like a faux wrap type dress. Deep V in the front and the back, which is a negative to me, but we'll just see how sometimes these V's look like huge, but then once you get them on, they're not bad at all. Looks like a A-line type dress, which is my style. I very, very much like an A-line. So I don't know what I think of this pattern. It's got like these circles with stars and I don't know, but I do like the style of it. Next up, we have a pencil skirt, basically like a off-white, yellow, and black pencil skirt. That is not my favorite color combination. This is by 41 Hawthorn. This is the Baileigh textured skirt. I do like a pencil skirt and, you know, kind of this soft, this knit fabric, which can be enjoyable. Oh, it does have lining on the inside, which is nice. I'm just not sure about this color. It's a little bee-esque. I don't know. All right, last up we have by Democracy the looks like a pair of camo pants. Kind of a nice muted type camo. I like this type quite a bit. It is petite, so I'm excited about that. It said side zip detail skinny pant. So it does have this, you know, it doesn't have a function, but it does have this side zip in the pockets and then a clean end here. So I like the looks of it. I do see they have a tag here. Curvy quality. Engineered to lift, expand, and enhance for a universal fit because all shapes are different but created equal. The Absolution Booty Lift Jegging. Okay, I have high hopes that this is going to be bootylicious. So, okay. Also, interesting thing. So it does have, you know, a button and zip up, but it's like this elastic band on it. So it's almost like a pull-up, but it still has the button and zip here. So that's very interesting. I'm excited to try those on. Okay. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I'm excited to try these things on, so let's get to it. Okay, first up we have the Daniel Rain shirt and the camo pants. So starting with the shirt, you know, it is quite wrinkly as expected since it's rayon. I like it. I don't know that I'm over the moon for the cap sleeves, but I like it. I'm guessing since it's Daniel Rain, it's probably going to be like 40-50 bucks, and I'm not going to feel like this shirt is worth it. But if it were significantly cheaper, I would definitely consider it because I like, especially white tops. These get used a lot, especially under cardigans, things like that. So we'll see the price, but most likely I end up being known just for general being underwhelmed. So the pants, I was a little bit disappointed in. I was really excited with this like stretchy pull-on waistband, and I was hoping it was going to be really snug to my waist, and it's not like super big, but there's just, it just feels loose there. So it's okay, you know, lots of my pants are not super tight around the waist, so that's not a deal breaker. I do have a pair of camo pants, so you know, I might have considered these if they were like game changers and perfect curvy girl type fit, but they're just, they're okay. So I like them. They're pretty good length, slightly long. I'd probably end up with a roll or cut off a raw hem. So, all right, let's do the shorts next. Okay, I have some mixed feelings on these shorts. Now, they are a size up than I usually wear, but that gives them kind of a nice, comfy, slouchy feel to it. There is a bit of extra room in the waistband here too, but again, it kind of gives a comfortable feel. I just don't love shorts that are too tight, and I've got a couple pairs where it's like I do feel really secure and held in. Now these ones, I think I wish they were maybe a hair longer. They're not like super short, but I don't know. I feel like maybe I wish they were a hair longer. I do like the rawness and the distressedness, and they're very comfy. I don't know. I'm not mad at these. These are maybe, again, probably price dependent, but I don't know. I feel like I would get some use from them. I don't know. What do you guys think? All right, let's do the skirt now. Okay, the skirt, I like the length. I do like the kind of midi length pencil skirts. It's very comfortable, not too tight. I feel like it's a good fit. I love a skirt like this where, you know, problem with pencil skirts, at least for me and my body type, is things end up being too tight here, and it's just, that's not necessarily a look I'm going for. So I like having a pencil skirt where it's still like a flattering silhouette, but I don't feel like I'm on display in it. So I like the style and the fit of it. Great, perfect, absolutely perfect. It's just this color. This black, yellow, white thing is just not doing it for me. It just reminds me of some like really old fabric from the 70s or something. I don't know, but I'm not loving it. All right, so I guess the dress is the only thing left. The dress, I think, is a great fit. I like the wrap here on the top. I like the sleeves. It's a very soft material. This is a very comfortable dress. The V is not too deep. Like I said, a lot of times you think that the V looks like just massive, and then you get it on and you're like, okay, that's not too bad. I do kind of wish it had a fastener to just keep it conservative, but that's okay. Now the back, I don't love a deep V in the back, which I can't really see. So here you go. This is also for myself and my own viewing. But I don't tend to show off my back, so I don't particularly love that. But I also have long hair, so that does cover that up. But again, how many of us actually like clothes that we have to kind of pull at and keep in place and keep things covered and whatnot? So I like it. Again, I don't know that I'm super over the moon with it. I just like it. I don't know. What do you guys think? All right, so let's go over prices and decide what to keep. Alrighty, starting at the top here, we have by Democracy. This is the Martie printed side zip detail. It is $68. It was not a just like amazing fit. It was a fine fit. It wasn't amazing, and I've already got a camo pair of jeans, so they would have had to been amazing for me to keep them. So I said amazing like 5 times. Next up, we have the Azaria knit dress by KALEIGH, and it is $48. I like it, but I've got a lot of dresses, and I really need to be enthralled with a dress at this point in order to keep them. Also, I think in my last fix, I kept a navy dress with yellow flowers on it. So I feel like from a color pattern, it's a little bit redundant. All right, then by 41 Hawthorn, we have the Baileigh textured skirt, and it is $64. Great fit, great length. I'm just not a fan of the color system on it, so not gonna keep that. Then by Daniel Rain, we have the Pale Sky Kiara Eyelet detail top, $64. So I knew Daniel Rain, it was gonna be a little more expensive. I don't think I expected 64 bucks for this. So I liked it, but not enough to keep it. Then by Just USA, we have the Gracelyn Distressed Denim Short, 44 bucks. This is the one I'm thinking about keeping the most, but I'd love to get your guys' opinions. I do like this is kind of a looser short, very comfy. Too short? Is it too short? I don't know. Love to get your guys' opinions. The total box is $288 if I bought all of them. Then it would subtract off $72 and give me a total of $216. So that's that box. I would love to hear people's feedback. What did you like? What didn't you like? Am I making good decisions? Thank you guys so much for watching. Very much appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, then do that below. And hopefully I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.